Hello students, how are you all? Today's topic is from mathematics of grade 6, that is circle. So in this class basically we will learn about the concepts on circle. As you know that you come across the circular objects in your day-to-day life. So in today's class we will learn about concepts of the circle. Now let us move ahead, children. In this class, basically we will cover the objective to identify some concepts of the circle such as center, chord, diameter and radius. So are you all ready? So just come with me and we will learn this topic. Okay. So what is the first concept? First thing, we should know what is circle. Now in this thing you can see that point is moved. Point is moved in the boundary. Okay. So what is circle? It is the set of all points in the plane that are given at a distance from a given point. So what is the given point? Point P. So when you are taking a set of all points and when the given point P center is equidistant from all points on the plane, then the circle is formed and the given distance is called the radius. The fixed distance from the center of a circle to the points on the circle is called the radius of the circle and the fixed point is called the center of the circle. Now we will learn another concept, that is diameter. So what is diameter, children? It is a line segment that connects 2 points on the circle. So what are the 2 points on the circle? You can see on the screen, point A and point B. So these are my 2 points. When I am joining it with one line segment, then it is said to be diameter. But very important thing, you should keep it in your mind, children. When that line segment will pass through a center, then only that line segment will be called as diameter of the circle. Now, another important concept we will learn, central angle. So basically, children, you all have done angle in your earlier classes when 2 line segments meet each other at one point. Okay, then that is nothing but angle. So now here also my 2 line segments, line segment AP and line segment BP, meet each other at point P. But you can see where they are meeting each other at point P, P is nothing but center. So therefore my angle is called as central angle. I hope you all understood this central angle concept very well. Now what is arc? So an arc is a part of a circle connecting 2 points of the circle. So you can see 2 points on a circle, A and B. In first slide, that is in the definition of circle, we have done circle is set of all points, but it was not joined over there. But when I am joining the point, all the points between A and B, there are infinite number of points, children. So when I am joining it, then that particular portion is nothing but arc. The part of a circle is nothing but arc, which connect the 2 points of the circle. I hope you all have understood this. So let us move ahead to learn the new concept, that is sector. Now what is sector of a circle? A sector is a region contained by 2 radii and an arc. I hope you all know what is radii. I have told you that fixed point is center, and when fixed point is joined by the point which is on the circle, that is nothing but your radii. So my AP is radii and my BP is radii. when I'm joining both the thing, my AP and my BP, then there is a region between my radius and my arc AB. That region is nothing but sector of a circle. So what is the name of sector? How to name sector? Sector APB. Now what is chord of a circle? When I'm taking 2 points, when I'm joining it with line segment, okay, so my 2 points are C and D, which is on the circle. When I have joined it by one line segment, then that is called as chord of a circle. So a chord of a circle is a segment whose endpoints lie on the circle. So I hope you all have understood this concept. So my line CD is chord of a circle. Now this is just a gist of everything whatever we have done till now, children, all the components of the circle. So quickly we will revise. CD is a chord as a join with the help of line segment. The 2 points join with the help of line segment. Now my AB is also a chord, and also it is known as diameter. Why it is known as diameter? Because it passes through the center. And why it is chord? Because it joins 2 points. But very important thing here, you all should know that diameter is the largest chord of a circle. Okay. Next, what are radii? My AP, QP and BP in the image is nothing but radii. Now what is arc? You can see AQ is nothing but arc. There are another arc also there in the image. But just to understand what is arc is nothing but the joining part of a circle which is join, okay, 2 points on the circle. What is central angle, children? So central angle is nothing but the angle which is formed at the center. So my angle APQ, my angle QPB and my angle APB is nothing but central angle. So I hope you all have understood this particular concept, and in my today's class I will come up with some more concepts on the circle and some results which will be based on circle. Thank you so much, children. Have a good day and take care.